Okay, so in most tree traversals, the root comes somewhere in the middle. But postorder is different. See, postorder gives the root at the very end. 1, 3, 2, 5, 7, 6 and 4 last. Root always comes last. Just learn one small rule and you will never forget this order. Let me show you. So we start at the root, node 4. But we cannot print it yet. First the children, okay? This is the rule. First the left side, then the right side, and root in the end. Simple. In code, it is just 3 lines. Go left, go right, then print. Print is always last. So from 4, we go left first. We don't print 4. Now we are at node 2. Again, go left first. We come down to node 1. This is the leftmost one. 1 has no left child and no right child also. So 1 is a leaf node. Now both sides are empty. So we print 1. 1 comes out first. Come back to 2. Now go to its right child, 3. 3 has no left child and no right child too. So we print 3. Now 2's left and right are both done. So now we print 2. Left side finished. Come back to root 4. But see, 4 still cannot print. The right side is left. So we go to 6. At 6, again go left first. We reach 5. 5 has no left child and no right also. Leaf node. So we print 5. Come back to 6. Now its right child 7. 7 has no left child, no right also. Last leaf. We print 7. 6's children are both done now. So we print 6. Right side also finished. Now everything below is printed. Only the root 4 is left. And finally 4 prints. See, the root always comes last. So remember, left, then right, then root. Root comes last every single time.